In this example, we're going to be using a Venn diagram. We're told that a survey of 30 people found that 21 like AFL and 12 like soccer. We're also told that 7 people like both AFL and soccer, and that 4 like neither AFL nor soccer. To begin, let's construct a Venn diagram for the survey results. Well, to do this, we start with a rectangle. This will include all of our results. So our numbers in the rectangle need to add up to 30, since we have 30 people. We're then going to have a circle, which will contain all the people who like AFL, and then another circle for all the people who like soccer. Note that the two circles overlap to indicate the people who like both AFL and soccer. Let's start with those people. Our question tells us that 7 people like both AFL and soccer, so we're going to put the number 7 in this intersection. Then we're also told that 4 people like neither AFL nor soccer, so they're not going to be in either circle. So let's put them out here. Now let's look at the people who like AFL but not soccer. Well, we know that 21 like AFL, but that 7 of those people also like soccer. So 21 minus 7 is 14. That's how many people like AFL but not soccer. We're also told that 12 people like soccer, but 7 people who like soccer also like AFL. So 12 minus 7 is 5. That's how many people like soccer but don't like AFL. The second question, part B, asks us how many people like AFL or soccer. Well, we just need to add up the number of people who like AFL, soccer or both. So that will be 14 plus 7 plus 5, which is 26. Part 2 then asks us, how many people do not like soccer? Well, there are 30 people altogether, and we're told that 12 people like soccer, so that leaves us with 18 people who do not like soccer. Third, we're asked how many people like only AFL? And we can just look at our circle here and we see that 14 people like AFL and not soccer, so our answer will be 14. Part C then asks us to calculate some probabilities. So if one of the 30 people was randomly selected, what's the probability that they like AFL and soccer? There are 7 people who like both AFL and soccer, and there are 30 people in total. So the probability will be 7 out of 30. Second, we want to find the probability that someone likes neither AFL nor soccer. Well, we can see in our diagram that 4 people like neither AFL nor soccer out of the 30. And we can simplify that fraction down to 2 over 15. And finally, we're asked to find the probability that someone likes only soccer. Well, there are 5 people who only like soccer out of the 30. And again, we can simplify that by dividing by 5 to give us a probability of 1 over 6.